दो मिनट सर, 2 मिनट।
बाइट कर लेते हैं।
हाँ जी, रोलिंग है जी।
My name is Colonel Brar. I'm the OIC of the Brave Hearts Ride. We are celebrating the Golden Jubilee of the 71 operations, and the aim here is to honor the brave hearts and the martyrs and the heroes of the 71 ops. So the Brave Hearts Ride is actually a ride to honor the heroes and the martyrs of the 71 ops.
About the ride, we start from Chandigarh.
The start point is where we are right now, Chandigarh Club ground. We start from here, go along the Udayan Path, and we'll go on all the way up to Dakshin Marg, take a turn on Dakshin Marg, head to JW Marriott. From Marriott we take a right and go towards the ISBT road of 43 sector, from where we go left and reach the Purv Marg, which is next to the railway line. And from there we are going to take a right turn and head towards the Isar light point. From the Isar light point we head back towards Mohali, Shahidan Gurdwara. And from there we are heading back to Fortis Lights, from where we will take a turn towards the Puda Bhavan. And the ground opposite Puda Bhavan is where the finish point is. So we've laid out a small refreshment event there. The military band will be in attendance. And we are looking forward to a very nice ride and a good event to celebrate this. We had an increase of 574, but I think we should touch 500 plus by the morning. Riders are coming in from Amritsar, from Ludhiana, from Khanna, and I must say that the Tri-City region riders have been very positive in their response, and we are deeply grateful for them to be here and celebrate this event along with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, right. Hi sir, my name is Richa Bhola.
बेसिकली क्या एम है, किसने के लिए और कैसा आपको लग रहा है आपका बतौर?
सर मैं अपने FBI बुल्स के ग्रुप के साथ आई हूँ एंड यहाँ पर ये राइड में मतलब एक प्राइड की बात है इस राइड में आना. लास्ट ईयर 2 years अगो ये राइड हुई थी, तो आई सॉ दैट इन न्यूज़पेपर ऑल्सो एंड उस टाइम मेरे हस्बैंड गए थे. दैट टाइम आई वॉज इन राइडर, बट आई थिंक दिस वॉज अ पैशन और ये इसने मुझे इंस्पिरेशन दी और तब से मैंने लर्न करना शुरू की राइडिंग. और नाउ टुडे आई एम इन दिस इवेंट एंड आई एम रियली इंजॉइंग. और मैं सबको यही बोलूँगी कि अपनी कंट्री के लिए और अपने आर्मी पर्सनस के लिए हमेशा स्टैंड रखिए और हमेशा उनको मतलब रिस्पेक्ट तो सभी करते हैं, हर चीज़ में उनको सपोर्ट करिए.
आपको लगता है मैम कहीं ना कहीं आप
सर डेफिनेटली आई एम ऑल्सो इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम अदर फीमेल राइडर्स, और अगर मेरे से कोई इंस्पायर होता है सो दैट विल बी वन ऑफ मतलब एक छोटा सा परसेंटेज होगा इन दी वुमेन कम्युनिटी, फीमेल कम्युनिटी. सो डेफिनेटली थैंक यू सर. सर ये हमारे ग्रुप के बेस्ट फोटोग्राफर. यू कैन फॉलो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम ऑल्सो.
सस्ते फोन से खींचनी महंगे वाले से खींचनी है हमें ज्यादा सस्ते फोन से खींचनी महंगे वाले से इंडियन एक्चुअली ये ਜਿਹੜਾ BSA ਦੀ BSA ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਸੇਮ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਅੱਜ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਣ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਟਵਿਨ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਟਵਿਨ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਸੇਮ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਮਾਡਰਨਰ ਕੀ ਇਹਦੀ ਉਹ ਟੀ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦਾ BSA ਵੀ ਆਏਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦਾ BSA ਵੀ ਆਏਗਾ सर आपका शुभ नाम
I am retired Major General Vinod Sharma. After serving for 37 years in the army, I retired about 2 years back. And the motorcycling has been a passion while I was in service. But after retirement, in fact, I've taken it a little more seriously. I'm part of the local group here, Thumpers, with whom we have done a lot of rides. In particular, last year, we did a series of rides called Gratitude Rides. Immediately after the corona became a little better, that was to play a gratitude to all the people, all the health workers, the gurdwaras. That is one. And now we are part of this military literature festival. So we are here for the brave hearts. As you know, being a veteran, of course, we feel strongly. But what is heartening, more heartening to see, is that in the civil outside also there is a lot of feeling for the people. There's feeling especially for the persons who have led their life, and this might be a right occasion. I would say that we lost our senior most officer just about 2 days back. So I would also dedicate this particular ride in the memory of our CDS General Rawat, as well as the 11 others who also were killed in the same crash. So so it's really a tribute to them also from our side. So it's good to be an honor to be a part of this literature festival and the Brave Hearts Ride, especially being a veteran and part of a civil team.
So how do you see how important is the dedicated these rides for the special occasions?
See, I feel that creating awareness, especially now this is particularly for the 1971, which was a major victory for our defense forces, I would say, not only the Indian Army. And creating that awareness, like I am now 60 plus, but when I come across these college boys and these young school children, now there are some of them accompany their parents also today, and that awareness which creates for the dedication which the men in uniform sacrificed during these wars for the country. I think that awareness it's a very good thing that it creates awareness. And these days, we have short memories and all, but these impressions, the symbolic impressions, but they do remain in mind. That I think is
recently country lost its brave son.
Yes.
CDS General Vipin Rawat.
Absolutely.
How would you like to tribute?
How
Would you tribute him?
Absolutely. He is one of the greatest generals. I had the no direct serving with him, but definitely 2 years back, when I also was in service, I had a number of interactions with him as an official capacity, and I found to a very forthright, straightforward talking, and a very, very well-meaning person, and as a couple, both. So definitely now I think all of us, especially the serving and the have a onerous responsibility, the task which he had set for the modernization and the reorganization and the looking into future, that needs to be taken forward. And I'm sure that happens as we are defense forces, the army, such institution, they will take it forward. So that I think will be a greater tribute if all his dreams could be realized in a time frame which he had said. That I think the biggest tribute we can give for the country. Thank you.
ये तो सर पता होगा।
I know. That's why this came around. 987 660 4887.
सारा
मैं सबके वहाँ तो शॉर्ट शूट बना है।
हाँ जी
Major General TPS Varaj, Director YPS Mohali and Chairman of Military Literature Festival Association. He will be flagging off this bike ride after about 10 minutes. I will request all the bike riders to kindly get ready for the start, please. Thank you.
कहाँ जा रहा है?
ਰੀਮੈਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ 54 ਉਹਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ 47.5 ਟੂਰਰ ਆ ਨਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਟੂਰਰ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸਰ
All admins, please stage पे आ जाएं।
Oh,